Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, i-feature ko naman sa inyo ngayon yung Daniela Model House which is ready for occupancy kasama gamit dito po sa Antel Grand Village. So itong bahay na to guys is now for sale, so with the lot area of 125 square meters now from this post hanggang dito sa post na orange na to. So kapag i-renovate mo siya, so kasya pa ang dalawang sasakyan. And then floor area nito 130 square meters, and this house is fully furnished, no? Binebenta na siya namin as fully furnished, and dahil po ito i-model house namin, so bago namin i-hand over or i-turn over sa inyo yung unit na to, mayroon po itong refurbished, no? So aayusin lahat ng unit. And then para makita niyo po ang loob, pasukin po natin. Alright, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel. My name is Ray Miliada. And nandito po tayo ngayon sa isang multi-billion company dito po sa Antel Grand Village, dedicated for real estate development. Alright, pasokin natin guys. Wow. Okay. So this is the actual model house po ng Daniela model. So pagpasok niyo po, you have this receiving area, and then the dining area, and you have that island bar, and then look at the chandelier. So ito yung model houses natin na is now for sale. So para doon sa naghahanap ng ready homes na fully furnished, so this is it guys. So this house is iyong na, huh? So kasama lahat ng split type aircon, and then including ang nasa loob ng bahay. No? Kung ano po ang nakikita nyo dito sa video, yun po yung ating ito turnover, pero as new. Since dahil model house po namin ito, at ito yung viewing unit namin, so ito turnover namin siya sa inyo as maayos yung bahay po. And look at the toilet and bath. Alright guys. And then ang toilet nyo po dito sa ibaba. And then yung brand na ginamit natin is standard, no? American Standard, alright. And then look at the sidings po, no? Naka granite tiles. Floor to ceiling po siya. And then naka interior na rin po yung bahay na to. So dahil model house siya namin. Okay, dito sa ibaba po, you have this office. Okay? And then feature natin yung likod, no? Dito sa likod ng bahay po, meron ka po ditong 2 meters na setback, na which is later on pwede mo siyang i-improve, lagyan mo siya ng fence or lagyan mo siya ng extension. And then yan yung aircon na kasama po dito sa bahay na to, and you have that service area. Okay, pasokin natin sa loob po. Okay, so this is your ground floor, and then ito yung inyong stairs po going up. And then tingnan niyo po yung ating kisame. Ganyan na po yung ating kisame po, no? Ito turn over na sa inyo. So ang advantage kapag ganitong design ng kanyang ceiling is hindi ka naaalikabukan. Kasi yung iba po is cove light. Ito naman guys is para siyang cathedral ceiling, no? Kasi wala siyang cove. And then yung mga lights niya, yan, actually yan na po yung uso ngayon. Ayan siya guys. Pero kung ano po ang defect sa house na to, aayusin po yan siya bago ito turn over din. Akit tayo sa itaas po. So ang stairs nyo maluwag, and then high ceiling din siya guys. Ayan po, no, napakaganda ng bahay na yan. So for sale siya po ito, kasama lahat ng gamit. Then dito sa itaas, so this is your landing area. Wow, so itaas po, you have this 1 bedroom. Hinihingal na ako guys. Ayan siya, 1 room. Then you have this split type. So actually po, lilipatan nyo na lang talaga siya. Then may mga frames na siya po. Change nyo lang siya ng picture. Then also you have this built-in cabinet. Ayan siya. So, lagay po ng mga gamit nyo, sapatos, ayun na po. Okay, then check natin yung second room. This is the another room, sa second room. Sa second room naman po, malaki din siya guys, no? And then, meron ka pa rin split type. And the house is still fully furnished po siya. Ayan. Ganda. Meron kang table. Kung ano po ang nakikita nyo dito sa bahay na to, ito na po ang makukuha ninyo po, no? And then, sa itaas po, you have this common CR. Toilet and bath. Naka-interior na rin po siya guys. Ayan siya. So, this is a Daniela model. Actually po, yung model house na to, kapag nasa Tansa po siya, this one is Natalia model. So, this is your master's bedroom. Wow, ang ganda ng master's bed. Ang laki ng kanyang kama. So, this one is a queen size. And also, meron ka pa rin split type aircon. And then, naka-interior na rin po yung pinaka-ceiling natin. So, for sale po ito. Kung naghahanap kayo ng ready for occupancy, this house guys is perfect for you po. So, kung gusto nyo naman po is for construction na ganitong model, si Daniela model or Natalia model po. So, pwede tayong magpa-construct nito. Ang lot area nito po is at least 100 square meters. Ang floor area nito is 130.35. Okay. So, yan yung toilet and bath ng master's bedroom. Okay. Then, dito sa master's bedroom po, sliding door yung ating pinaka pinto. Then, you have this balcony pa. Wow. No? Guys, ayan, daming halaman. Ayan. Ayan siya, guys. So, maganda, no? Then, you have the garden area and napaka-presko niya kasi puro halaman po yung cover ng inyong trellis, yung car garage. Okay, pasukin natin. Okay guys, so kung bago ka pa lang dito sa akin channel, so please don't forget to hit like and subscribe in my YouTube channel po, no? So my name is Ray Miliada, Division Manager dito sa Antel Grand Village in Anyana. And of course, dito sa Antel Grand Village or Anyana, we offer lot only and then pwede kayong magpagawa ng sarili ninyong design. So open dito sa lahat ng engineers, contractors, and architect. And pwede kayong magpagawa hanggang 3rd floor. Any design. Okay? So, kapag nagustuhan niyo po ang video na to, pwede niyo po itong i-share sa inyong mga kaibigan na nasa Amerika, nasa ibang country, na still hoping na magkaroon ng isang magandang place for their retirement and then for their investment. So, i-recommend namin sa inyo the Antel Grand Village kasi I think and I believe na this area po is perfect for you. Okay, so thank you so much po and Merry Christmas everyone. And sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa ating video po sa house tour, no? House tripping po ni Daniela Model House. Malamig, may aircon. Thank you so much guys and see you in my next vlog. God bless.